Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Victor, and today Rishley and and my family, we're going to Teresa, which is a city 30 minutes away from where we live right now. We used to live in that city, and Rishley and we've got a flat there, and we're going to see it today. I haven't seen that flat for almost 2 years now, and that is going to be quite special. And here we go guys, this is going to be a 35-minute drive. And I really love it because we go through the forest and we get to see a lot of nature.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces.
So guys, here we are right now in Teresa. We're about to get into the complex. And I'm going to show you the flat later. So let's go. For me, it doesn't seem real that after 2 years we are here once again. I've been 2 years away from this place. I really miss home.
You do every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
And here we are finally on the second floor. We're about to see our flat after 2 years.
What memories?
So guys, welcome to our flat. This is our flat here in Spain, and this is where we lived for a year, I think, before going to Russia. And myself, I hadn't been here for 2 years. Can you believe it? So for me, it's quite interesting to be back and to see our old, pictures from London, San Francisco, and Madrid. And we've got one from Amsterdam here, and now it's time to do a full apartment tour. This is our kitchen, then we next have the hall, and then we have a toilet there but someone was inside. This is the second biggest room. Then we've got the biggest room that is over here with a toilet inside, the bathroom. And this was my bedroom. Now we need to go to the smallest bedroom that we've got here. By the way, I had a very crazy friend living here, but that's another story. Maybe I'll tell you later.
So, this is the balcony. We have 2 swimming pools here. We have one for adults, one for children. And, we have some palm trees, we have some grass, and we also have a nice table here to sit and, have a cup of coffee in the morning or have a nice evening meal with friends and family.
I won't lie to you, I'm feeling very homesick. But right now we've got a life in Moscow, and I suppose that in the future we will come back. Hey! During all this time that we've been away, the flat was rented out. Right now there is another family that is going to move in a week's time. For now we can enjoy it for ourselves. My mom is really feeling sexy. She wants to go to the swimming pool. Hey!
Hey!
Right now we're going to the swimming pool. Yeah?
We're now going to our swimming pool, okay? This is basically the communal swimming pool. And yeah, we're going to have a bit of fun, because it's summer, it's warm.
It's Spain.
It's Spain,
Although you
and-
can swim also in the Baltic Sea, but anyway.
Yeah, so we want to make the most of the pool, So let's see if we can.
I suppose that this is the time when the real fun begins. I think that all of us were hesitating to get into the pool because it was a little bit cold. ¿Te vas a meter, sí o no? And after some time, my mom finally decided to go and swim, but she wasn't very happy because the water was quite cold.
It's cold. It's cold, guys.
And after that lovely, refreshing and cool swim, we agreed to go and have a warm drink. But now I would like to show you the rest of the complex. Here we go. Can you believe that they didn't have soy milk, so I couldn't have my cappuccino? Bad for me. But these croissants were so tasty, the best in the world. Now back at home, my mom was trying to get her photo shooting.
A bit because we don't have a lot of utensils, but we're making some sausages here.
So guys, right now I came here to a shop to buy these recyclable dishes and some napkins because we forgot to bring them from my mom's house. And yeah. So this is our neighborhood. We used to come here quite a lot because there is a Domino's Pizza down there and there is a nice bar down there as well. And there is a fruit shop over here. There is a pharmacy. And what I like about this place is that there is a nice view to Montserrat. I'm going to show you now the mountains, I mean. If you have been to Barcelona, I can assume that you've been to Montserrat. That mountain that you see there is where you can find the monastery of Montserrat. It's not very far away from where we live. Risley is preparing one of his favorite dishes, fried plantain. So guys, right now we have, well, my mom and Risley, they've just like finished like everything, and lunch is ready. So let's get started. I really want to eat because everything here is so tasty. Let me show you. And this was the end of our day. So right now we're going back home. And thank you very much for watching this vlog. See you next time on my new adventure. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for everything. Until next time.
Feelings, it's like